Unboxing idioms. Understanding a puncher's chance. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. In today's video, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, a puncher's chance. This idiom, often heard in contexts of sports and competition, carries a deeper meaning that's useful in everyday English. So, let's dive in and discover what it's all about. A puncher's chance originates from the world of boxing. In boxing, even if a fighter is less skilled or in a seemingly losing position, they still have a chance to win with just one good punch. This slim chance of success, relying on a sudden turn of events, is what the phrase encapsulates. It's a testament to the unpredictability of life and competitions. When we say someone has a puncher's chance, we mean that they have a small but real possibility of succeeding, even in the face of overwhelming odds or challenges. It's about holding on to that glimmer of hope, that one shot at victory, no matter how unlikely it seems. Let's see how this idiom fits into everyday English. 1. In sports, the underdog team still has a puncher's chance to win the championship, despite the odds against them. 2. In business, our startup has a puncher's chance in the market, even though we're competing with bigger companies. 3. Personal challenges. I might not be the top candidate for the job, but I believe I have a puncher's chance. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, applicable in various scenarios where there's a slim chance of success. The beauty of a puncher's chance lies in its universal appeal. It resonates with the human spirit of perseverance and hope. In movies, literature, and speeches, this phrase is often used to inspire and motivate. It's a reminder that sometimes, all it takes is one chance, one moment, to turn things around. And that's a wrap on a puncher's chance. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting idiom. It's more than just a phrase. It's a reflection of the enduring human spirit and the belief in possibilities against all odds. Keep this idiom in your language toolkit, and remember, no matter the situation, there's always a puncher's chance for success. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.